In this video, I will show you how to reactivate Roblox account. First of all, open the Roblox application. If you are using a browser, go to www.roblox.com and proceed. After opening it, you will see a pop-up asking you to reactivate your account. If this message appears, simply follow the on-screen instructions to restore your account. But if you don't see this pop-up, you can manually reactivate your account by logging in. On the login screen, tap on Sign In instead of creating a new account. You will now be asked to enter your account details. In the username or email field, enter the correct information for the account you want to reactivate. Next, in the password field, enter the exact password associated with your Roblox account. Make sure you entered the correct information of the account that you want to reactivate. If you forgot your password, reset it using your email or phone number. After that, tap on Sign In. If the details are correct, you will be logged in successfully and your account will be reactivated automatically. If you are unable to reactivate your account, it might be the case that your account was banned, or it had an inactive account status for a very long time, or you have entered incorrect login details. For any issues, go to the Roblox support page at roblox.com. Fill out the support form with details about your issue and submit a request for assistance. They will provide further guidance. And this is how you can reactivate Roblox account.